Welcome back to the channel, everybody. So I had a customer got one of our helixes, and he tried to install it, and he got it stuck like this. Now we run into this happens even when folks try to pull the stock helix off, and what causes this is they push the helix down too far, and it binds on the shaft. Any helix will do this, not just the aftermarket ones. Anyone will do it. This is a common problem, and I have an opportunity here to show you guys how to fix it very easily, actually. So he sent this to us so we can fix it. We're going to get it fixed. He said he had it on here 5 or 6 times is what he told us. And, well, the last time, I guess he was trying to figure out how to clock it, and was trying to clock it and didn't put the keyway in, and I don't know exactly, but anyway, he told us he had it on there and together, and then he did this and went down too far. He actually sent it to us in the mail like that, so it's been stuck that way for probably a week or so. But let's show you guys how to fix this. So we're going to leave the snap ring on there for safety reasons. Right now, you do not want this thing to pop up. And you're going to want to find something that will cover most of the helix. Doesn't have to cover the whole thing, but at least most. Because once we get it all together, we're going to want to get that snap ring off of there. But we want something to be in place. I'm going to use this gear that we got, and then a washer. And then we're going to run a nut down, just like so. Now we're going to get a 3-jaw puller. Whoops, I'm sorry. We're going to get another nut. All right, once we got some safety and double nuts on there, we can bring this up. We're going to take that snap ring off of there. We just want something there, that way if it does pop, it ain't gonna come up and hurt us. So we're gonna run that back down, about right there. On a 3-jaw puller set. Oh, still gotta go down a little bit with it. All right. Should be down enough now. We're going to be able to get that 3-jaw puller under there. Grab you a zip tie, because the zip tie is actually going to help you by keeping these jaws. You don't have to worry about them too much, but it's going to keep them jaws under there and help you from fighting. You don't need the zip tie, but it does help. So now we're going to put another nut on top for safety. Okay, now all we do, start working this nut up. Okay, now we're going to start putting some tension on it and bringing it up, and it may violently pop. Wow, he's got this one stuck. There, it's coming. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. There we go. Keep working it. It's coming. You hear it? Listen. There we go. See? See? That's what you want. Right there, ladies and gentlemen. Quick with this, kind of stay out of danger's way. Okay. Go back down with this. Snug, ain't gotta be super tight. All right, this should be all we need now. I'm hoping. Should be all we need. Let's see if our zip tie is still good enough to work. Looks like it is. Okay. Should be good now. Now this thing could still ping. Coming. Something's coming. Something's gonna pop. It's coming. I hear it. Man, what did he do? Is it 20-ton press? It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. Man. It's coming. I hear it. You hear it? Man. Oh. Wow. It's coming. It's gonna shoot any minute. I'm not ready. Oh man, it's it should be poo. Oh man. It is coming. How can it be stuck that much? Never had one like that. I mean, we might have to go back to the drawing board. I'm running out of threads. I don't even know how this got on there. It's halfway up my socket. Huh. Oh, I can see the snap ring hole. So it should be there. Wow. Wow. Ladies and gents, pull that off. I'll just back this off of here. Wow. Well, there we go. Now, I'm going to show you guys how to put it back together. But I'm going to take a break. All right, so we pulled that off of there. I did go ahead and polish up this shaft and clean it up. Now what we're going to want to do is put our helix on. Now in his particular case, he did get the SRM3. And we're going to clock his stock secondary spring to B2. Almost a B3. We're going to clock it to B2 for his setup. Do that. Your setup may vary, so you definitely want to contact us, get a hold of us. Now once we get that on there, we're going to set our snap ring down on there. And we do sell these tools on our website as well. Get this all set up. Get that down on there. Now I'm going to show you guys an easiest way of doing this. We're going to run it down. All right, once we start getting close, what we want to do is rotate it so you can see the keyway. And then we want to rotate just like this, both sheaves, just like that, so we can line up the keyway. Now, whenever you go down, you want to make sure you're doing it straight, You do it straight, it'll go right down on with no issues. Okay? And we're going to run it all the way down. Till we're flush with the shaft. We're going to grab our keyway and we're going to slide our keyway down in while it's flush. Okay, we got it down in. Now, we got to clock it, but you're going to hit that screw. So we're going to want to bring it right up. We're going to clock it like so. That's what you got to do. Remember, it's going to be right there. You got to pre-tension this. If you don't, there won't be enough tension on it. So we just, like so, pre-tension it, and then run it down. Okay? Just enough to put our C-clip on. You don't want to go any farther than that. Just enough to put the C-clip on there. Okay? Get that down in there, just like so. And I'll look around it. Make sure it's in there. Once we know it's in there, we're going to back it up. Okay? And that is how you fix that issue, as well as install your helix the correct way. If you don't want that to happen, whenever you go to take this keyway off and you put this on there, you know, you only push it down this much, literally, just enough to clear that keyway out of there, or that snap ring out of there. That's all you got to do. If you push it way down in there, it gets stuck on the shaft. But that's fixed, guys. And I also went ahead and cleaned it up so it looks real nice. It's on there, looking good. But guys, that happens. I fix them all the time. I just never really been able to do a video on one till now. And I've had a lot of you guys reach out to me that you've accidentally done that. And it happens. There's nothing wrong with making mistakes. It's all in how you fix it, guys. And it's not that hard. This one was the worst one, but it's also been the farthest one that was pushed that far. I've never had one that was pushed that far. But easy fix, guys. All right, peace out. God bless. Thank you for watching. Click that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Leave us a comment below if we've helped you or if you've ran into that issue before. Check out our website, www.rngperformance.net. We're working on the stereo over there, and she sounds good. Peace out, guys.